In this video, you will see how to insert a table in Excel, which will help you to analyze data easily. We are given with this data, so for creating a table, select any cell within the data and from Insert tab, click on Table. And keyboard shortcut for creating table is Ctrl T. So the data is selected and select My Table Has Headers. By selecting this, your first row will become the table headers and OK. Now you can see the table is created and you can also change the table style. So for changing the style, select any cell within the data set and here you can see the options. Select any style of your choice from here. Let's select this. Now let's see how to filter a table. So to filter the table, click on this drop down arrow in the header. From here, uncheck the select all box and check the boxes that you want to see. Like I only want to see the data of laptops, television and speakers. So I'll check these three boxes and OK. Now you can see the data of the three selected items. And now if you want to remove the applied filter, click on the arrow and check the select all box. So the filter is removed. You can also sort a table, like if you want to see the sales from highest to lowest, click on this arrow and now click on sort largest to smallest. And now you can easily see which item has the most sales, which has the least, etc. Now to resize the table, what you need to do is you can see this little handle at the bottom right corner. Just drag this handle to extend the table as per your requirement. So we have extended the table. Now there is an option which is total row. It will show the total and this is inserted at the bottom of your table. Select any cell and check this box from here and now you can see the total. Also you can count the total numbers in column. For this, select this cell and now click this drop down arrow and count. In the same way, you can also see the average, minimum, maximum, etc. And now if you want to remove table formatting, then select any cell within your table, then go to Table Styles group and then from here pick the first style, which is None. So you can see formatting is removed. And now if you want to remove table, then here in the Tools group, click on Convert to Range and click Yes. So the table is removed. So in this video, we saw how to insert a table, apply filter to a table, sort a table, etc. I hope you liked this video. Thank you.